Cinnamon Rum Barquillos are very delicious rolled wafer cookies. Excellent on their own, but dipped into Dulce de Leche covered in espresso coffee makes these crunchy treats highly addictive, and probably difficult for any coffee lover to resist having just one. To make cinnamon sugar, blend 100 grams turbinado sugar with 10 grams Ceylon cinnamon to a fine powder and sift out any lumps. Then to make about a cup of cinnamon rum wafer cookie batter, beat an egg and continue to mix in 50 grams of the cinnamon sugar, followed by 50 grams melted butter, 30 grams of a good quality rum, and a little salt. Then mix in 40 grams of flour to create a smooth batter and refrigerate until ready to use. Then preheat your waffle iron to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a generous tablespoon of batter to the center of the grill and close the lid. Set your timer for about 1 minute and 45 seconds, and when the batter is cooked, work quickly to roll the wafer cookie around a metal straw, pressing down on the end to help the cookie hold its shape and allow to cool. A metal straw works great and is easy to remove after the cookie cools, but a wood dowel works good too. To make espresso dulce de leche bonbon, add 30 grams of dulce de leche to the bottom of a small coffee cup and pour an equal amount of espresso over top or to taste.